Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can contact the customer support of Fiverr. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Fiverr.com. After you go to Fiverr.com, go ahead and sign into your account. Then you will see this type of profile. Go ahead and click on this option over here, which is your profile on the top right hand side of your screen. After click on it, you can see the help or find help option over here right below the USD. Go ahead and click on help and support. After you do so, you can see some of the articles are presented over here. You can read these articles and you can solve your problems. But if you really need to contact the customer service and tell your feedback to Fiverr, you can just scroll all the way down and find this option over here where it is written contact us. So if this is not necessary, you can click on any of these articles over here, read the article and solve your problems. But if you really want to contact the customer support of Fiverr, just go ahead and scroll all the way down in this page and click contact us. Now you can see what they can help you with. You can see there are options like account and security, buying on Fiverr, selling on Fiverr, community standards, and our terms of services. So you can go ahead and select any of these and you can select the problem you have. And you can see that there is the option of this. So you can just go ahead and select this, read this article, and then contact the customer support in Fiverr and solve your problems. So guys, this is how easy it is to contact the customer service or help service of Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.